Hey, so now welcome to the real project what they do. For the previous video, we don't already create our search component, but we never style them. So now what we want to do for this video be that because it no look right. So to isolate the style of our search component, we just need to import styled from styled component, and then we'll first create a wrapper, call our wrapper, and it will be styled.div function. Now we'll just change this div to the wrapper. Okay, we don't style anything yet. Someone could style them from the browser so that we could see the changes what they make. So if I select this, you see now that div be this. So styled component don't generate just some random class name. So we'll put the style we want for here. First, we'll give a margin. We'll give them 20 pixels. Okay. Then we'll go give them display flex. So we can go there. I think that one is enough for now. So I'll just copy this style for here. I'll kind of come inside here and I'll paste. I'll come on this one. So if we refresh now, we get our style there. So the next thing we'll need to do now to style the input. So now the input element we don't select. So first we'll just say overflow. We'll say hidden for visible. Not really matter. Then we need to give them box shadow, and we'll give them none. And then we need main height. We need to give them minimum height, and the minimum height we just give them 40 pixels. You see, it don't big. And we'll give them width. We'll give them width of 100%. We'll just know how far it will be. Okay. All right. So we could reduce them so that we'll go see where that one day. We'll reduce them. We'll put them to 40%. Yeah. Okay. It done the 40%. Then if you give them padding, we'll give them padding of 8 pixels. All right, they make sense. Then border radius, we'll just give them border radius of none. Border radius none. Okay. All right. That one, they I don't know. Well, okay, maybe because we put that one there. So then we will need, say, background color. We'll just say border. We'll give them border effects because border. Then we make them solid and just random color, maybe 7973. All right. Okay, so it don't they look right, but background color. We'll just make background color FFF just be, white. Okay. Then if we want to make the font size, because it looks small, so I'm gonna just say font size inherit. So you're gonna inherit wherever the parent, and then we're gonna need font family. We'll just say make inherit too. All right. So I think now we don't get our style. So if you just copy these ones for here, I'll close the browser. Then I'll come here. What we need to do now is we'll create another variable. We'll call them input wrapper, and it will be styled, and style in expose input too. So that's what we'll get for there. We'll just paste all this style we'll get, and then I will just replace this input with that one, and then we just refresh the browser. You see, input component they work. So if we type something there, it come. So it's still good, but we still get things to do with this input. We need to be able to, give them value from the app component. We need to be able to clear those value. So, and the thing we'll go do for the next video be that. I hope so now learn something for this video. If you get any question, if you just comment for this video. And if you never subscribe to the channel, if you subscribe so that anytime I post new video, YouTube will notify you now. Ahead. Later.